Kia ora team. It feels like the weather patterns are changing for summer, eh? Northeasterly offshores are forecast for the upper North Island's west coast finally. We've got south and southwest swell also this weekend. The full analysis and our Cheerio certified cams are at goodsofnow.co.nz. Righto, the west coast have fun-sized southwest swell building Friday, Saturday, then fading back over the weekend. North Island has south quarter winds Saturday, decent for the north-facing points and reefs and tolerable for the beaches. Then Sunday, everyone's crossing their fingers for northeasterly offshore winds, which are most likely in the north of the North Island. Kapiti and Nelson are looking a bit small. Elsewhere in the South Island, there's the same fun size swell there, up to 1.5 meters. The winds are not perfect, but I reckon they'll be light enough to surf, and there could be some sneaky morning offshores in places. The northeast coast is pretty quiet for now, maybe something for the longboards, microgroms and soft tops. 0.5 meter of weak wind swell, maybe a touch more on the swell magnets and when the northeasterlies get going, but expect crumbly and bumpy conditions with the onshore winds as they develop. Looking hopeful for next week and beyond with any luck. And south and east coasts below East Cape have options with south swell coming up out of that low pressure that passed under the country the other day. North Island, Gizzy and the Waited Upper between 1 to 1.5 metres most of the weekend and pretty fun. The winds bounce around a bit between morning northwesterlies and arvo northeasterlies, so you might do the pivot between northwest and then south facing breaks. The Hawke's Bay is going to be smaller because of the sharp southwest angle of that swell, but it should be nice and clean most of the weekend. And then Dunedin, pretty much up to Wellies, are also copying that south swell, and there are options for both days, but Saturday is the bigger day of the weekend. The winds are a bit swirly, so go have a look at our analysis so you can pick the eyes out of it. Have a mid-weekend team. Yo!